2012 Karma FISKER doing a recovery because some mounts, bushings from the drivetrain to the power inverter or something like that, couplings that have to be replaced, so they have to, I think, drop the cradle, disconnect some AC lines. Don't have to, if it had to be the rear dropped, I don't have to pull the refrigerant out. Even though the refrigerant system chills the battery in the rear, it uses a glycol loop system with a water pump and a second expansion valve and plate heat exchanger, and that is located right here by the air cleaner. You see these two pipes right there where my finger is going? And then if you follow that up, you'll see the H-style block expansion valve. Let me get up there. Let's see if I can focus. You see the top of that expansion valve? That's going to a plate heat exchanger. And that's the second part of the air conditioning system off the electric compressor that chills glycol in a glycol loop and sends chilled glycol back to plate coolers where the battery packs are located in the rear of the vehicle back here under the center. All that, see that big center dash right there? That's all batteries. And that goes all the way, let's see if I go there, all the way to the rear like that. And it has plates filled with glycol and it's chilled. And as the battery packs get hot from charging and discharging with regenerative braking, or just charging, the batteries get hot, got to give off the heat. So it exchanges the heat to the glycol, and then the hot glycol goes in the loop and it goes back to that plate heat exchanger and gets chilled off again and just continues the loop through with the expansion valve using refrigerant to cool off the glycol for the batteries. All right, I'll see you guys later. And this is your Karma FISKER. It's a nice looking car. It's definitely not a bad looking car, I gotta say. It's really a shame the original Tesla, the Model S, this is what it should have looked like. But they should have made this car all electric and just totally skip making it, it's not even a hybrid. It uses the 4-cylinder on this older model Pontiac engine, nothing more like a Briggs & Stratton generator to charge the batteries, and then the batteries drive the electric motors. The actual gasoline engine does nothing other than make pollution and noise and smell. All right, I'll see you guys.